After hours of travel, we finally made it to the first stop. This amazing 3-floor Airbnb. Now when I saw the balcony view overlooking Marrakech, I knew it hit the jackpot. Not only did we have that, but our room was on the top floor and we had the whole balcony to ourselves. Tip for travelers: don't skip the local breakfast. Your taste buds will thank you. Marrakech is like a living, breathing painting. Vibrant colors, bustling streets, and oh, the cats. Next, we hopped on the tour bus to the Atlas Mountains. Fun fact: Morocco packs a lot into one country. Deserts, mountains, beaches. The ride alone was an adventure, with endless views that made me forget my Wi-Fi wasn't working.
Also, you're gonna visit one of the Berber houses. You visit before Berber house or not?
No.
So there is many villages they still use the older material for building the houses. Okay, people that don't have like enough money for building a house, like with the brick and like new houses. So they use the older material. Like also.
In the Berber village, we saw these incredible women grinding seeds into flour and other useful products. The rhythm of their clapping pulled us into an impromptu dance session. Let's just say I might not quit my day job to join the dance crew, but I had fun trying. Well, I let the other people do the dancing. Walking through the mountain villages felt like stepping back in time. We even found a waterfall tucked away in the hills thanks to our guide. Perfect spot to catch our breath pretend we weren't tired from all the hiking. Did have a brother catch a little slip on the trail, but he made it out unscathed, so there was no man left behind. Then came the camera ride. The night market in Marrakech was pretty cool. Food, music, souvenirs, and one very confident vendor who sprayed his product directly in his eyes to prove how safe it was. Meanwhile, I was over here debating if I could trust it on my hands. First, we hit the market to grab ingredients. Okay, back at the class, we made tagine, which tasted amazing. Next, we hit the desert on ATVs. I'll be honest, I wanted to go full speed, but the views kept distracting me. Sometimes it's okay to slow down, or at least that's what I told myself when I was stuck on slow. Daytime in Marrakech didn't disappoint. From street performers to a monkey that may try to steal your fingernails, it was a non-stop entertainment. get the best experience, make sure you're close to the city center. You really get the true night and daytime experience and the hustle and bustle. And just being able to be a walking distance from the square is just like makes this experience that much better. Casablanca, I decided to sneak some push-ups in because why not? The city at night had this chill vibe, perfect for exploring with my wife before we wrapped up the trip.
Hello everyone, we are currently at the beach on the shore in Casablanca and it looks beautiful here.
Shout out to Silburn and Debbie who had amazing hospitality. And just like that, our Moroccan adventure came to an end. But don't worry, the journey continues in Spain. Stay tuned for the next chapter.